We begin to wrap up what was a historic trading session once again today. The Nifty Bank up almost in 4 digits, closing the day with about 900 points of gains. That was really, the story of the day. Financials doing extremely well, and as a result of which, the Nifty hitting a fresh record high as well, closing above 23,700, conquering 23,700 and closing above that for the first time ever. The top gainers, understandably, financials itself. So we had HDFC Bank, which is the top contributor, followed by ICICI Bank, Axis Bank doing extremely well, and then the financials like Shriram Finance and others are not doing too badly as well. The second half of trade also saw some gains in the IT pack, so the IT index too ended at the high point of trade, led by gains from names like Wipro and Tech Mahindra itself. On the way down though, we did see some weakness in names like Eicher Motors, Power Grid, Asian Paints, Tata Steel, BPCL and ONGC. But it was the broader markets which were underperforming today, and we end the day with about 1,300 stocks which are declining versus about 1,100 stocks which are advancing. Prima.
The mid-cap index too ends with a cut of about 0.4%. The Nifty small-cap index managed to close up in the green, but it's a very modest gain of about 0.2%. The big gainers include Amara Raja, 19.5% higher on the back of the lithium-ion technology tie-up. Garden Reach Shipbuilders gains for the second day in a row, and big gains coming through, 10% up today. You also had strength in many of the mid-cap banks, so something like a City Union Bank also topped the charts, and PNB Gills in the financial pack also higher. On the way down, Happiest Minds corrected a fair bit on the back of the block deal which took place. Bandhan Bank too down nearly 2%.
Absolutely, and it's a good close. It's a superb close actually on the Nifty and the Nifty Bank. The broader market looking a little down and out, but that's okay. As I said right at the beginning, for a sector which has not done very much to really start to pull its weight, I think it is good news. And of course, it had support in a much lesser sense from the IT services pack as well, where of course people are now starting to focus on earnings, which will be first off the block early July. Well, I think it's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell from all of us here. Thanks for staying with us all through. Markets Forward is coming up next, and it'll pick up on all the action in just a bit.